Explain about kiwi. Kiwi can refer to a fruit or a bird. The kiwi fruit is small, brown, and fuzzy with bright green flesh, known for its sweet and tart taste. The kiwi bird, native to New Zealand, is flightless, nocturnal, and has distinctive hair, like feathers. It's also a colloquial term for people from New Zealand. Dear friends, welcome to our channel. Today, in this video, we will talk to you about properties of kiwi. If you wish to elevate your daily knowledge about health and a healthy lifestyle before watching this video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive our videos daily. Now, let's continue and watch the rest of the video together. Kiwi's vitamins and minerals. Kiwi is rich in several vitamins and minerals. Vitamins. 1. Vitamin C, known for its immune boosting properties and essential for collagen synthesis. 2. Vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health. 3. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. 4. Vitamin A, essential for vision, immune function, and skin health. 5. B vitamins, including B1 thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B5 pantothenic acid, B6 pyridoxine, and B9 folate. Minerals. 1. Potassium, crucial for heart health and maintaining fluid balance. 2. Copper, important for iron absorption, collagen formation, and overall metabolism. 3. Phosphorus, plays a role in bone health and energy metabolism. 4. Magnesium, involved in various biochemical processes in the body. These nutrients contribute to the overall health benefits of kiwi when included as part of a balanced diet. Kiwi's properties. Kiwi has several properties that contribute to its health benefits. 1. High in vitamin C. Kiwi is exceptionally rich in vitamin C, which is known for its antioxidant properties and immune system support. 2. Dietary fiber. It contains dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a healthy digestive system. 3. Antioxidants. Kiwi contains various antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals in the body, potentially reducing oxidative stress. 4. Low calorie. It's a low-calorie fruit, making it a good choice for those looking to manage their calorie intake. 5. Rich in nutrients. Kiwi provides a range of essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and B vitamins. 6. Hydration. With a high water content, kiwi contributes to hydration and can be refreshing. 7. Anti-inflammatory. Some studies suggest that kiwi may have anti-inflammatory effects, contributing to overall health. 8. Heart health. The potassium content in kiwi supports heart health by helping maintain blood pressure levels. Including kiwi in a balanced diet can be a tasty and nutritious way to support various aspects of health. Kiwi's harmful effects. While kiwi is generally considered safe and nutritious for most people, there are some potential harmful effects or considerations to be aware of. 1. Allergies. Some individuals may be allergic to kiwi, experiencing symptoms like itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. Severe allergic reactions can occur in rare cases. 2. Oral irritation. Kiwi contains enzymes that may cause irritation in the mouth. For some people, especially those with a sensitivity to certain proteins. 3. Oxalate content. Kiwi contains oxalates, which may contribute to the formation of kidney stones in individuals susceptible to this condition. 4. Interactions with medications. People taking certain medications, such as blood thinners or medications for kidney problems, should consult their healthcare provider before consuming large amounts of kiwi due to its vitamin K and potassium content. 5. Acidic nature. The acidity of kiwi may cause discomfort for individuals with acid reflux or sensitive stomachs. It's important to note that these potential issues are relatively uncommon, and for most people, the benefits of consuming kiwi outweigh the risks. As with any food, moderation and individual considerations play a role in its overall impact on health. If you have specific concerns or health conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional. Kiwis beneficial for diseases. Kiwi is associated with several health benefits that may contribute to the prevention or management of certain diseases. 1. Rich in vitamin C. The high vitamin C content in kiwi is beneficial for the immune system, potentially reducing the risk of infections and supporting overall immune health. 2. Heart health. The potassium and fiber content in kiwi may contribute to heart health by helping regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 3. Antioxidant properties. Kiwi's antioxidants may help neutralize free radicals, potentially reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Digestive health. The dietary fiber in kiwi supports digestive health, aiding in regular bowel movements and potentially lowering the risk of certain digestive disorders. 5. Skin health. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, promoting skin health and potentially reducing the risk of skin-related issues. 6. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some studies suggest that kiwi may have anti-inflammatory properties, which could be beneficial for conditions involving inflammation. 7. Weight management. Being a low-calorie, nutrient-dense fruit, kiwi can be part of a balanced diet for those aiming to manage their weight. It's important to note that while kiwi can be a healthy addition to a varied diet, it's not a cure for diseases. A balanced lifestyle that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods, regular exercise, and other healthy habits is crucial for overall well-being. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Kiwi's caloric and energy content. Kiwi is a relatively low-calorie fruit. On average, one medium-sized kiwi, about 100 grams, contains approximately 61 calories. The energy content comes from a combination of carbohydrates, including natural sugars, and dietary fiber. Kiwi is a nutritious option for those looking to manage their calorie intake while enjoying a fruit that provides essential vitamins and minerals. Thanks for watching this video.